Are you ready for the next evolution in smartphones? Xiaomi, the tech giant known for pushing the boundaries, is about to drop a bombshell on the foldable phone market. Imagine a phone that doesn't just fold in half, but folds twice. Yes, you heard that right. A trifold smartphone with a seamless design, no buttons, and a screen that could rival your tablet. Stay tuned, because in today's video, we're diving deep into the leaked details of Xiaomi's upcoming buttonless trifold phone, and trust me, this one is going to change the game. Let's start with the leak itself. News broke when Xiaomi's patent for a trifold phone appeared in the China National Intellectual Property (CNIP) database. The patent shows us renderings of a revolutionary design. It features a sleek, slim build and, get this, it's entirely buttonless. Instead of physical buttons, Xiaomi is reportedly exploring touch-sensitive areas or sensors for control, making the design ultra-minimalistic. The phone folds not once, but twice, giving it the ability to expand into a large tablet-sized screen, over 10 inches, when fully unfolded. When folded up, it becomes compact enough to slip into your pocket, combining portability with power. From the patent images, we can see that the device has a rectangular camera bar on the back, similar to the Mix Fold 3 but with 3 cameras instead of 4. Now, why is this design so exciting? Think about it, foldables are already making waves, but Xiaomi is taking it to the next level. When unfolded, the screen could give you an immersive experience, perfect for multitasking, gaming, or watching videos. Xiaomi is rumored to be using an advanced hinge mechanism to support this trifold, reducing wear and tear, a common issue in foldables. While other companies like Huawei have already experimented with trifold designs, Xiaomi's unique take could push the envelope even further, particularly if they release it globally, unlike Huawei's Mate X-T, which was more limited in availability. Now, let's talk about the market implications. Foldable phones are still a niche product, but Xiaomi's trifold could bring foldables into the mainstream. With the Mix Fold 2 and Mix Fold 3, Xiaomi has shown it's not afraid to experiment and innovate. But here is the interesting part. Rumors suggest that this phone could be Xiaomi's answer to Samsung's rollable devices, which are expected to launch soon. While Samsung has pivoted toward rollable phones, Xiaomi seems committed to perfecting the foldable form factor. If Xiaomi manages to pull this off, we're looking at a phone that could offer an ultra-large display for media consumption, gaming, and productivity, and shrink down to a pocket-sized device when needed. It's the future of phones, a tablet and phone hybrid all in one. But how does Xiaomi's trifold stack up against the competition? Let's take a look at Huawei's Mate X-T, the world's first trifold phone. It was an impressive device with a 10.2-inch display and a premium leather-textured back, but it had limited availability, and many of its innovations didn't reach a global audience. Samsung, on the other hand, has been experimenting with foldables and is now reportedly shifting focus to a rollable device, potentially called the Rollable Flex. So while competitors are branching into new form factors, Xiaomi is sticking with foldables and perfecting that model. This could be a game changer, especially if Xiaomi offers better durability, battery life, or even a lower price point compared to its competitors. And let's not forget Xiaomi's strong presence in global markets, which could give this phone an edge. Okay, now on to the fun part, speculation time. While Xiaomi has remained tight-lipped about the actual specs of the device, we can make some educated guesses based on their previous releases. It's likely that the trifold phone will feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor or the equivalent flagship chipset, offering top-tier performance. We can also expect up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 5000 mAh battery to power that massive display. As for the camera, Xiaomi's Mix Fold 3 already featured Leica branded lenses, and this trifold could follow suit with a triple camera system optimized for both photography and videography. Well, given Xiaomi's competitive pricing strategy, it could be more affordable than other foldables like Samsung's Z Fold series. We're expecting a price tag somewhere between $1,500 and $2,000, making it a premium but potentially more accessible option. So, what do you think of Xiaomi's buttonless trifold? Could this be the future of smartphones? Personally, I'm excited to see how this will shape up. With foldables becoming more popular and Xiaomi's history of innovation, this could be the device that changes how we think about phones forever. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you consider buying this device if it hits the market? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on this and other upcoming gadgets.